Many veterans have started receiving letters from VA that GI Bill benefits have increased for those veterans who served multiple periods of military service. We thought we'd answer some of the most frequently asked questions that we're seeing right now on this topic. So to start, Ethan, what prompted VA to change GI Bill benefits eligibility?
So there are two GI Bills. There's the Montgomery GI Bill, and then there's the post 9/11 GI Bill. Each one provides up to 36 months of education benefits. If a veteran qualified for benefits under both bills by serving two different periods of service, VA's old rule was that veterans would still only get 36 months of benefits total. So in other words, 36 months was the maximum amount of benefits that VA would allow, even if a veteran's periods of service qualified them under both bills. Then, in a 2024 case called Rudisill, the US Supreme Court said that rule was wrong. We've actually been waiting a few months for VA to update its regulations to reflect the Supreme Court's holdings, and now those changes are here.
Great. And it's certainly not every day for us that we see the US Supreme Court engaging with a law that concerns veterans' benefits, so this case presents a pretty cool opportunity for us to review. Ethan, specifically, how has Rudisill changed GI Bill benefits eligibility?
So veterans who are eligible for both the Montgomery and the post 9/11 GI Bills can qualify for up to 12 additional months of education benefits. So that's a total of 48 months of GI Bill benefits.
And why are there only 12 additional months of benefits available? Why not 36 months under the terms of both of the different GI Bills?
So there are actually other federal statutes that cap the government higher education payout to veterans at 48 months. So the additional 12 months of benefits is consistent with those other federal caps.
Got it. That makes sense. How big of a deal is this? How many veterans could this change actually affect?
So we're hearing estimates that this could benefit over 1 million veterans and beneficiaries.
And what is VA doing to inform veterans about the change?
So VA is launching an outreach campaign to inform eligible veterans and beneficiaries about the additional benefits that they may qualify for.
What do veterans need to do, if anything, to access an increase in benefits pursuant to the court's holding in Rudisill?
VA is estimating that approximately 660,000 claims will automatically be adjudicated by VA without any action required from the veterans.
What steps should veterans take if their claim is not automatically processed?
So for veterans whose claims are not automatically adjudicated, VA will reach out directly to encourage them to file a claim.
I have still more questions for you, Ethan.
Let's do it.
What if veterans have already paid for their education in other ways, such as by taking out student loans? Can they get benefits retroactively, like loan forgiveness or even a refund?
So unfortunately, no, this still isn't possible.
What if the veteran's delimiting date has passed for GI Bill benefits and their benefits have since expired?
So if a veteran with multiple periods of service chose the post 9/11 GI Bill over the Montgomery GI Bill, VA will actually reinstate the time that they had at that time plus 90 days. So for example, if a veteran chose to use the post 9/11 GI Bill at a time when they had 5 years left to use the Montgomery GI Bill, they'll be given 5 years plus 90 days to use any additional Montgomery GI Bill benefits, so that 12 extra months.
How does a veteran get the expiration date extension?
So they're going to need to submit an application to VA by October 1st, 2030.
Great. And others might still have more questions than that what we covered. VA has answers to a lot more questions on its website. So if you need more information about this, check out the description of this video for some links. We hope that they're helpful. And as always, please like and subscribe if you found this video to be useful. Take care.